In this work, we contribute an approach to author adaptive media, a system that instantiates this approach for lyrics, in a study with songwriters. We refer to adaptive media as content that responds to the characteristics of the consumption context. For example, Anna is listening to music while awaiting her flight abroad to San Jose, where she will start a new job. Through context-aware computing, we can uncover many details about the listener's context, such as their activity. Adaptive media can utilize such context to automatically modify the content. Here, the lyrics adapt based on the listener's context, making the song more personally relevant.
Just a quiet girl, leaving home in search of more. She took a red-eye flight bound for San Jose.
The modified lyric mirrors the listener's circumstances, making the song feel more personally relevant as if the song briefly breaks the fourth wall, allowing the artist to directly address the listener's own journey at moment of transition. We envision adaptive media to be capable of automatically adapting to a variety of listeners and their context to enable personalized experiences at scale. However, adaptive media also brings unprecedented challenges for creators to maintain creative control. We propose G-CLef, an approach for creators to author context-adaptive media. Surrounding around 3 design axioms, we believe all adaptive media authoring tools should consider: creator, content, and context. G-CLef unifies the 3 dimensions to support creator-driven adaptive media. We instantiate G-CLef in the domain of songwriting to enable adaptive lyrics in a tool we call MultiVerse. To demonstrate MultiVerse, we follow an artist who is authoring lyric steering controls using our tool. Their goal is to have the lyrics adapt dynamically to each listener's context while respecting a few key constraints: preserving the theme of isolation and feeling lost, maintain rhyme structure, and connect to relevant audience contexts. They begin by focusing on a single user persona, then validates the pipeline across a broader set of audiences. Here, they start with the persona Anna, a graduate student studying music and computer science. They then select a specific line to start authoring. This is what the original sounds like.
My dog just died, my friends hate me. I saw myself on MTV.
The creator starts by adapting to Anna with no steering controls, and they observe the following line.
And I've been sounding too cold shades and music that will do listen.
This focuses entirely on the persona and no longer reflects the artist's original intent. To fix this, the creator starts authoring steering controls, starting with content structure, specifying rhyme.
And I quote songs with heart and art. She builds me systems from the start.
The lyrics now fit the structure of the original composition, but still diverges from the theme of the song. To fix this, the creator adds additional steering controls for creator intent, specifying the theme of isolation and locking specific words in the lyrics to be unchanged.
The system I built now hates me and locks me in this frequency.
The lyric now align well with both theme and structure, but still feels artificial and only adapts based on superficial aspects of the listener. To fix this, the creator adds additional steering controls for audience context. They proactively define the relevant adaptation context by asking questions. Here, they ask Anna what are their recent hardships, revealing the relevant context of a recent paper rejection. They then connect the relevant context to specific parts of the content by creating variables. Variables directly substitute certain parts of the lyrics while maintaining syllable count.
My paper died, my lab hates me. Review rights were through faulty.
The creator is now satisfied with the adaptation behavior and moves on to test how well the controls generalize to other personas. Here, they select Elena, a game developer based in Berlin, retrieving their context based on the same question, revealing a different personal challenge for Elena, which guides generation.
My cold dev left, my mod hates me. Late nights alone, streets feel empty.
The creator then iterates across both personas, verifies alignment with their intent, and finalizes steering controls to be deployed for real listeners at scale. We contribute insights from a study with 10 skilled songwriters. First, adaptive media enabled new forms of audience connection that were not previously possible. Second, it introduced a different creative process where the creator had to identify the essence of their work, deciding what should stay the same and what can change. Finally, it changed how creators thought about authorship, as the creator, AI, and audience can all shape the final song. Generative AI is increasingly enabling freeform media manipulation, creating new opportunities for adaptive media while challenging creator control and authorship. We believe our work provides a foundation for future exploration in authorial control for adaptive media.